هل تسمعوني؟
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله
warahmatullahi
وبركاته.
wabarakatuh.
أبدا دائما أهلا وسهلا. أهلا وسهلا كلكم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Misbah Rahman, do you have any question? Do you want to ask anything?
इंग्लिश बोलना
If you don't have any question, please lower your hand. Okay, thank you, Jazakallah. So, brother and sister, we have learned for last 2 days about the pronouns, about the attached and detached. And yesterday we learned about the past tense in Arabic. So, any of you have any question about last lesson? About yesterday or the day before yesterday? Okay. So I think nobody have any question. So continue our lesson. Lesson number 10 about the pronouns. This one we have learned ka, hu, ha, and ya. This is ya mutakallam. Kitabuka, kitabuhu, kitabuha, kitabi. Kitabuka, your book. Kitabuhu, his book. Kitabuha, her book. Kitabi, my book. So this one we have learned in the detail. And this one is the special noun. We have learned about this special noun. Abun and akhun. Abun and akhun, they are the two special nouns. Total, it is 5 special nouns. So abun and akhun are 2 of them. And when they are mudaf, they take an extra vowel. So it become akhuka, abuka, abuhu. So when abuhu, so we cannot write it like this one. This is wrong. We have one extra vowel here. This one we have learned in detail. Baitu Muhammadin, Abu Muhammadin, Abu Muhammadin. So you can see in Baitu there is no extra vowel, but in Abu there is an extra vowel, and in Akhu there is an extra vowel. So this is only for Abu and for Akhu. For other nouns we don't add extra vowel. But for Abi and for Akhi, for Yai Mutakallam, for first person Yai Mutakallam, we don't add an extra vowel. Abi and Akhi. So it will be Abi and Akhi. This one we have learned. Okay, so what happened this one? Okay. Let me wait a minute. Okay. So this one is Abi and Akhi like this. And next in this lesson, we will learn about the Inda. Inda, we already have learned in the meaning with. In the meaning with. It is also used to convey the idea of to have. Indaka kalamun, do you have a pen? Indaka kalamun, Do you have a pen or have you a pen? So in the, we can use it to convey an idea, to have, to possess a thing. Literally, is there a pen with you? So in the ka mean, do you have pen? In the, we use for the things. In the, we use for the things. And for the relations, we use li. For the relations, we use for li. You have already learned about the preposition li, meaning belonging to. When it is attached to a pronoun, it takes la, laka, lahu. This one we have learned laha, li, like this. So li akhun means I have a brother. We cannot say here in the akhun. We cannot say in the akhun. This is wrong. For the relations, we use li. I have brother, I have sister, I have mother. So when we have to mention the relations and body parts, the relations and the body parts, we use li. Li famun, li yadun, I have mouth, I have hands. So body, for the body parts and for the relationships, we use li. Li akhun, I have a brother. Li famun, I have a mouth. So we cannot say in the famun. In the famun, I have a mouth. I have a mouth, we cannot use in the. For the body parts, we cannot use in the, and for the relationship, we cannot use in the. Because in the is used with things which are separable. We only use in the for the things which are separable, while the body parts and the relationships, they don't separate. Relations and parts of body are not of this nature. So for the body parts and for relations, we will use li, and for the things, we will use in the. Zahaba, we have learned about this yesterday in very detail. Next is, we have learned that feminine proper nouns have no tanween. Maryamu, Aminatu. Maryamu, Aminatu. So feminine proper nouns, they don't have tanween. Now we will learn like the masculine proper nouns with this ta, tanis, ta marbuta. Masculine proper nouns with this ta marbuta or this ending also have no tanween. Like Hamzatu, Usamatu, Muawiyatu. These are the masculine names. These are the masculine proper nouns. Hamzatu, Usamatu, Muawiyatu. But there is no tanween on them. So if there is a ta, at the end of the noun, at the end of the proper noun, then we cannot use the tanween at the end. And the next thing we will learn in this lesson is ma. Ma means also with. To understand difference between ma and inda. Inda mean also with, ma mean also with. Remember that if you say al-mudarrisu indal mudiri, al-mudarrisu indal mudiri, the teacher is with the headmaster. It means that the teacher has gone to the headmaster's office and he is with him there. So teacher is present in the office of the headmaster, and at that time he is present there with the teacher. So in the mean, he should be present with him. But al-mudarrisu ma al-mudiri. If we say al-mudarrisu ma al-mudiri, doesn't have this restriction. He can be with the headmaster anywhere. He can be with the headmaster anywhere. Note that the noun after ma'a has kasra. The noun after ma'a has kasra ending because it is mudaf ilayh. Ma'a, this is mudaf, this is zarf, we have learned. This is adverb. This is adverb of time. We have learned in the last lesson. So ma'a is also adverb of time, and adverb is mudaf. The noun following ma'a will be mudaf ilayh, and mudaf ilayh ending is majroor. So noun will follow ma'a. It will be mudaf ilayh, and because of the mudaf ilayh, it will be majroor. It will take kasra ending. Bil jamiati. B is a proposition. B is a harf jar, proposition. B mean at. B mean at the university. Is a proposition meaning at or in. According to the sentence, we translate it at, and we can also translate in. It gives both meaning, at and in. Note that the Al-Jamiatul Islamiyatu bil Madinatil Munawwarati. Al-Jamiatul Islamiyatu bil Madinatil Munawwarati. Islamic University is at Madina Munawwara. Islamic University is at Madina Munawwara. So here the meaning of be, this proposition, is at. And there are some sentences. Sometimes we translate this be in the meaning of in. You will learn in this lesson. Okay. The last thing we will learn in this lesson, I have learned in the lesson 1, we have learned that ma mean what? Meaning of ma is what? Ma haza, what is this? Masmuka, what is your name? So it meaning ma, but this word is also used as a negative particle. This word is also used as a negative particle. Ma in the siyaratun. Ma in the siyaratun. I don't have a car. So ma mean don't have. I don't have a car. And this is a vocabulary. We will learn this vocabulary. Az-Zamilu, colleague or classmate. Al-Fata, young man. Az-Zawj, husband. Wahidun, one. At-Tiflu, child. At-Tiflu, child. Okay. Yes, Shumaila.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sir, the difference of ma and in the, I am not clear in this. Kindly repeat this again, this concept.
Ma in the I don't have. Ma is a negative particle we use is as a negative particle. I don't have a car. Ma in the sayaratun. I don't have a car.
Sorry, sir. Sir, I am saying in the ma'a, mim ain ma'a, and in the.
In
The
the
difference
ma.
between these. Yes, yes.
it means that the teacher has gone to the headmaster office and he is with him physically. He is with him. Physically he is present with the teacher. So when something is physically with someone, we use in the. And when al-mudarrisu al-mudiri, you can be with the headmaster anywhere. Ma'a, note that noun after ma'a is mudaf ilayh. So what is your confusion here?
Sir, actually, as you teach us the difference between the in the and li, that for the things we use in the, but for the relations or the body parts we use the preposition. But here I am not clear where I have to use in the. It is the difference of the space or any other thing. I'm not clear it.
Listen. In the have two meanings. In the have two meanings. One is with. Here we are learning about with.
Yes.
The teacher is with the headmaster. And in the have another meaning. Have. In the kalamun, I have a pen. So word is the same, meaning is the different, use is the different.
Yes, sir.
So it depends where you are using. You are using to possess a thing, and you are using to show the belonging. You use in the. So that means you are possessing something. It is not the meaning of with.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Jazakillah khair.
Amen. And this is our lesson for today. Ad-Darsul Ashiru. Lesson number 10. Man anta. Man anta, who are you? Ana talibun bil jamiati. I am student at university. I am student in university. Ana talibun bil jamiati. I am student at university. Anta talibun jadidun. Anta talibun jadidun. Are you a new student? Are you a new student? Naam ana talibun jadidun. Yes, I am a new student. Okay. So who is there? Rabbani. Rabbani, anything you want to ask?
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أستاذ. عندي سؤال.
Yes, sure.
نعم. When to use a and hal? Differences. Question mark.
Yes.
And
Anta talibun, are you a student? Anta talibun, are you a student? So hal anta, do you have? Hal anta mean do you? And a mean we can say anta, are you? So or we can use in the sense of are. Hal and hal we can use in the sense of hal. Hal mean do you? You will learn more in the lesson, inshallah. You wait for your answer. I hope you will get your answer in this lesson. Anta talibun jadidun, are you a new student? Naam ana talibun jadidun. Yes, I am a new student. Min aina anta. Min aina anta. Where are you from? Ana minal Hind. Ana minal Hind. I am from India. Ana minal Hindi. I am from India. Masmuka, what is your name? Ismi Muhammad. Ismi Muhammadun. My name is Muhammad. Ismi Muhammadun. My name is Muhammad. Waman hazal fatallazi. Waman hazal fatallazi ma'aka. Fatallazi, we will read it. Alif, this is Hamzatul Wasal. We don't pronounce Hamzatul Wasal. Waman hazal fatallazi ma'aka. And who is this young boy with you? Ma'aka, with you. Huwa zamili, he is my classmate. Huwa zamili, he is my classmate. Huwa aidan minal Hindi, is he also from India? Huwa aidan minal Hindi, is he also from India? La, no, huwa minal Yabani. No, he is from Japan. Minal Yabani, from Japan. Masmuhu, what is his name? Masmuhu, what is his name? Ismuhu Hamzatu. Ismuhu Hamzatu, his name is Hamza. Ma lughatuka, lughatuka ya Muhammadu. Ya Muhammad, what is your language? So here you see here, these are the pronouns we are using here. Lughatuka, ka is a pronoun, attached pronoun of anta. Ka is a attached pronoun of anta. We have learned previous day. What is your language, O Muhammad? Lughatil urdiyatu. Lughatil urdiyatu. My language is Urdu. Ahiya lughatun sahlatun. Is it an easy language? Is it an easy language? Ahiya lughatun sahlatun. Is it an easy language? Sahlatun, easy. Lughatun, language. Sahlatun, easy. Naam, yes. Hiya lughatun sahlatun. Yes, it is an easy language. Wa hamzatu, and Hamza, ma lughatuhu, what is his language? Lughatuhu, his language. Over here, it is a pronoun of huwa. Who is a pronoun of huwa? Lughatuhu, his language. Lughatuhul yabaniyatu. Lughatuhul yabaniyatu. Wahiya lughatun sa'batun. Lughatuhul yabaniyatu, his language is Japanese. Wahiya lughatun sa'batun, and it is difficult language. Sa'batun, difficult. Lughatun sa'batun, difficult language, and it is difficult language. Aina abuka ya Muhammadu. Aina abuka. Here you see this is a special noun. This is a special noun abu. And when it is mudaf, it is taking an extra vowel here. Aina abuka. We have added here an extra vowel. Aina abuka ya Muhammadu. O Muhammad, where is your father? Where is your father, O Muhammad? Abuka, your father. Abi fil Kuwaiti. Abi, my father. So this is first person. This is first person mutakallam, and we don't use an extra vowel with the first person mutakallam. Except the first person mutakallam, we use extra vowel for all other pronouns. And with this ya mutakallam, we don't use an extra vowel here. So it will be Abi fil Kuwaiti. My father is in Kuwait. Huwa tabibun shahirun. He is a famous doctor. Shahirun means famous. Huwa tabibun shahirun. He is a famous doctor. Wa aina ummuka, and where is your mother? Ummuka, your mother. Hiya aidan fil Kuwaiti ma'a abi. Hiya aidan fil Kuwaiti ma'a abi. He is also there in Kuwait with my father. He is also in Kuwait with my father. So this is a difference between the ma and in the. In the, he should be physically present there. Ma'a, his mother is also in the Kuwait with his father, but she is not always beside his father. Sometimes she go to the market, sometimes father go outside the home, but she is still there with his father. So physically you don't need to be with each other. Then we can use ma'a. Hiya mudarrisatun hunaka. She is a teacher there. She is a teacher there. Azahabta ilal Kuwaiti ya Muhammadu. O Muhammad, did you go to Kuwait? Muhammad, did you go to Kuwait? Naam zahabtu. Yes, I went. Wazamiluka, and your friend. Wazamiluka, and your friend. Aina abuhu. Where is his father? Abuhu, his father. Abuhu fil Yabani. His father is in Japan. Abuhu fil Yabani. His father is in Japan. Huwa tajirun kabirun. Tajirun kabirun. He is big merchant. He is a big merchant. Alaka akhun ya Muhammad. Alaka akhun ya Muhammad. O Muhammad, do you have brothers? Naam li akhun wahidun. Yes, li I have. Akhun wahidun, one brother. Ismuhu Usamatu. His name is Usama. Wa huwa ma'i huna fil Madina til Munawwarati. And he is here. And he is here with me. Ma'i, with me. In Madinatul Munawwara. So he is with him in the Madinah Munawwara. Not always with him like in the. In the, your presence should be physically with the person. And here he is in Medina with him. Maybe he is living in some other house. Maybe he is studying in some other university. Wali ukhtun wahidatun. And I have one sister. Ismuha Zainabu. Her name is Zainab. Wahiya fil Iraqi. Ismuha Zainabu. Her name is Zainab. Wahiya fil Iraqi. And he is in Iraq. Ma'a zawjiha. With her husband. With her husband. So she is living there with her husband. And her husband is not always beside her. In this case, we use ma. She is living with her husband, but it doesn't mean her husband is always beside her physically. Zawjuha muhandisun. Her husband is an engineer. Zawjuha muhandisun. Her husband is an engineer. Hamid. Indaka sayaratun. Do you have a car? Indaka sayaratun. Do you have a car? Ya akhi, oh my brother. Oh my brother, do you have a car? So here in the we are using in this sense of belonging. Do you have? Here is another meaning. This in the is not in the sense of with. This is do you have? In the ka siyaratun, do you have a car? So here we are talking about the possession of the thing. And in the, it is a adverb, it is a zarf, and it is mudaf. So noun or pronoun following in the, it will be mudaf ilay and it will be majroor here. In the sayaratun ya akhi. La ma in the sayaratun. I don't have a car. In the I have. I don't have a car. In the darajatun, I have a bicycle. In the darajatun, I have a bicycle. Hamzatu, indahu sayaratun. Hamza, indahu sayaratun, he has a car. Indahu sayaratun, he has a car. So Hamza, he has a car. So this was our lesson. So the exercise we will do it yesterday. Muhammad Samba. Muhammad Samba.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
الدرس العاشر 10th lesson. حامد عندك سيارة يا أخي? Do you have a car, oh my brother?
Yes.
Muhammad لا, no. ما عندي سيارة. I don't have a car. عندي دراجة. I have a bicycle. Hamzatu indahu sayaratun. Hamza has a car.
Yes. Okay. So do you have any question?
No.
Okay, good. So any of you have any question about the lesson? Ainal Khari.
Okay, so I have a question. I want to confirm. Ma'a is preposition, right? Zaraf. But indi is adverb as well as mudaf. It is not the zaraf. Oh, zaraf.
Ma'a is also adverb. Ma'a is also adverb.
Adverb.
Yes. Ma'a mean with. Ma'a is also adverb.
But indi is it zaraf?
Indi?
Is it zaraf also? No. It is adverb.
Both are the adverb. Both are the zarf. Ma'a, it is a zarf, and ending will be, the noun following will be mudaf ilay. The noun following will be mudaf ilay.
Okay. But indi is mudaf.
Not in the, in the.
Inda, sorry.
In the. So it is the same
Inda.
also. In the mean with. Okay.
But it is not mudaf ilay.
Of course, ma'a and in the, they are not the mudaf ilay. They are mudaf.
Mudaf. Okay. Thank you, Sir.
You're welcome. The noun following them, the noun following ma'a is mudaf. The noun following ma'a will be mudaf ilay. The noun will follow ma'a, which will be mudaf ilay. Abdul Hakim.